Yeah, they say my nigga ain't got common sense. They sit around and talk about me, bitch, while on politics. I gotta do the dash, I can't get caught up in it, stolen bin. I was born Muslim, when I rap, I'm like the reverend. Probably whack a art, gon' talk to God like I ain't never seen. Nigga dropping down, we cut out tongue, man, he gon' tell again. Demons at my door, they tryna get me, but I won't let them in. I put them folk through hell inside my cell, can't go to jail again.
Free my little dog, he in the cell again. I know some killers in the grave who ain't gon' step again. They hit the block and hit my dog, they won't do that again. Every time we slide, we hopping out, fuck a window. I be tryna sit back and be boo, take care of my kinfolk. And everything I do for real, that's what they didn't know. Got out my ass and got it poppin', nigga. Your nigga be hanging, but they can't stop me, nigga, yeah. Flip the vent, flip your friend. Fuck the judge, they flip the twin. Flip whatever wood they in, cause all my niggas know it's in. But I can't trip, cause that what come with this. Pass me the ball, I ain't gon' fumble, I'ma run this shit.
Yeah, they say my nigga ain't got common sense. They sit around and talk about me, bitch, while on politics. I gotta do the dash, I can't get caught up in it, stolen bin. I was born Muslim, when I rap, I'm like the reverend. Probably whack a art, gon' talk to God like I ain't never seen. Nigga dropping down, we cut out tongue, man, he gon' tell again. Demons at my door, they tryna get me, but I won't let them in. I put them folk through hell inside my cell, can't go to jail again. She got me still mad. Hacking my spine, but I still want my nigga real bad. I swear I had it hard, these niggas saw they sound like beanbag. Way before Corona came around, we been in ski masks. Yeah. And I know I said I love you, but I ain't mean nothing. I can never tell, I'm like Ray Charles, so I ain't see nothing. Going spin it block and spin it again, so like a rerun. Deacon in the box for a little minute, they need a free arm. Nigga only 12, I'm out with blocks in the hood we from. 49 charges from them car, but I gotta keep going. I been taking losses out my life, my nigga, we won. Yeah, they say my nigga ain't got common sense. They sit around and talk about me, bitch, while on politics. I gotta do the dash, I can't get caught up in it, stolen bin. I was born Muslim, when I rap, I'm like the reverend. Probably whack a art, gon' talk to God like I ain't never seen. Nigga dropping down, we cut out tongue, man, he gon' tell again. Demons at my door, they tryna get me, but I won't let them in. I put them folk through hell inside my cell, can't go to jail again.